Hi, hello, and welcome to another session in SharePoint. In today's session, we will have a look at creation of a simple workflow in SharePoint using the SharePoint Designer. So, what are some of the prerequisites? We need to have a list. We are going to create a list workflow. We need to have a list, and we need to identify the columns we are going to work on. Do we need any workflow variables? And what are the conditions and what are the steps and the action we are going to take? In today's demo, we are having a simple list called projects, which are having a collection of projects, and it has two columns called status and an indicator. Indicator is a HTML type of column which will either display green or yellow, and this workflow is going to do that. And status is of a column of type percentage, which indicates the status of the project. And the condition we are going to check is if status is less than 50%, it's going to display the indicator as yellow. Otherwise, we will display the indicator column as green. So that's all we are going to do today. Let's get started. So open up Visuals to, SharePoint Designer. And I have already opened up the site, which is having the list called projects. I've opened up the list in libraries, and here is the projects list. Now I want to create a list workflow. So let's just click list workflow and let's give the name as update indicator. And you have the option to choose 2013. In case this 2013 option is not showing up, you need to install the workflow manager. So let's just try to install the workflow manager right away. So I just gave a Bing for workflow manager. I'm just downloading that from the official Microsoft Download Center. After you install the workflow manager client, you have to just open up PowerShell and run the command register-sp workflow service with the SP site and the workflow host URL, which is in our example, we are using the localhost :12291, which is obtained from the IIS manager. Let's just try to create a simple workflow. Click list workflow. We'll click that update in the status indicator. This install did not work properly. Let's just try with the 2010 workflow for now. Click OK. And now let's just check the status first. We'll put the variable if current item off, we'll get the status is greater than or equal to 50. Then we will update list item current item. We'll update the indicator to this value. /fix/green.png. Okay. And now let's just deploy. We'll check for errors. And we'll also make sure that the workflow starts automatically when an item is created. And now we'll just publish. Now we'll just create a new item in the projects list. Simple SharePoint simple workflow and status as 89% or 95%. And we'll not update the indicator now. So the status is now in progress. We'll just refresh the page again. Now it's completed. So here I'm just going to add a new project. Items, add new item. Simple project, and we'll give the status as 45% and click save. So I'll just refresh this, and if you see, this indicator has been updated from the workflow and not from the list. Thank you. So as a quick overview, we just decide which list, what are the columns, what are the conditions, and what are the actions. There are various actions apart from sending mail, updating list. This is a showcase of a very simple workflow. Thank you.